Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to describe actions happening right now, temporary situations, or future plans. When to use present continuous. Actions happening now, example, she is studying right now. Temporary situations, example, I am staying at my friend's house this week. Future plans, example, we are visiting the park tomorrow. Positive sentences. Subject plus /is/ or plus verb plus ing. Examples, I am reading a book. They are playing football. Negative sentences. Subject plus /is/ or plus not plus verb plus ing. Examples, she is not working today. We are not watching TV. Questions. Am/is/ or plus subject plus verb plus ing. Examples, are you listening to me? Is he coming to the party? Signal words. Now, right now, at the moment, currently, today, this week. Practice examples, I write a letter now. I am writing a letter now. She, not watch TV right now. She is not watching TV right now. Is he study for his exam? Is he studying for his exam?